morning, children. I hope you all are safe at home. Take care of yourself. Now we'll start with the revision work. As you all know that we have finished till lesson number 3. We'll start with the revision work because in this revision I'll be explaining you how to prepare for your test, as we were having PT1 in this month. Due to these all calamities, we were not able to perform our PT1. So I'll tell you the pattern how to prepare for PT1. In revision, we'll go through all the lessons, all the question answers. Lesson number 1, 2 and 3 we have already finished according to the syllabus of June. This revision will be done according to these 3 lessons. In these 3 lessons, we had question answers, word meanings, make sentence, many other questions related to the lesson. You have to learn the poem, you have to learn the format, how to write the poem, to complete the lines of the poem. All these questions will be included in the revision. The first lesson, as we have done, in that lesson, we have finished with the all exercises. The first exercise was dictation word. In every lesson we have dictation words except the poem. So dictation words, that will be coming in oral. It will not come in your written paper. So that will be a different test. After that, answer the following. I'll be writing the pattern for the revision. So just follow that pattern. English. As we have 2 parts in English. One is English literature and the other one is English grammar. Right now I will be explaining about how to do the revision of English literature. English grammar will be followed after this. So in English, the literature revision, from the lesson the format of the question paper will be the first question, answer the following. First question, as we will start with answer the following, please write the question here. In the question paper, you will be getting the question and you have to write only the answer in your copy. I'll write it accordingly. As answer the following, write only answer. This is how you have to write in the examination. We'll be writing the question here and you will be writing the answer only. You don't have to copy down the question when you are doing your paper or your revision work. You will be writing the answer. I will be writing the question, you will be writing the answer only. As the first question, for example, I will be writing few questions over here. You will be following the same pattern. As the first question, we can write, ass do, what did the ass do with it? Question number 1, what did the ass do with it? In the question paper, you will be getting the question written and there will be space below, you will be writing the answer. So here the answer will be, the ass covered himself with the lion's skin. The ass covered himself with the lion skin. This is just an example. We'll be giving the question, you will be writing the answer. In the same format, in make sentence, the second question, make sentence make sentence. You will be getting the word here and space word here. So you will not copy down the word, you will just write the sentence. For example, make sentence I'll be taking from lesson number 3. We have done make sentence. Fresh. Fresh. So the sentence for fresh, as we have given in the copy, we go to the market to buy fresh fruits. You will be writing the sentence only. We go to the market to buy fresh fruits. As the word fresh we have given for the sentence, we underline the word fresh. Put a full stop where we end the sentence. We'll start the sentence with a capital letter. This pattern you have to follow while you are doing it in your exam, while you are doing it in your copy, class work, anywhere. A sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. In the same way, rest of the questions will also follow in the same pattern. As word meaning, you will be getting the word, you have to write the meaning. It can come in any format. The next question, third, word meaning. Number 1, you will be writing the word there. For example, we will take it from your syllabus only. So now we will be starting from word meaning. We will take this word from your book only. The word will be total. T-O-T-A-L. Total. I have explained the meaning in my previous video, the meaning of total. If we buy many things, you all remember? We have done this in our last video. So the total means complete. Complete, or the second word for it is whole amount. Whole amount. This is the meaning, this is how we will write. You will be getting the word, you will have to write only the meaning of the word. This will be the format, answer the following, make sentence, word meaning. Then there was one more pattern of that question. Make 3 words out of 1 word. Make 3 words out of 1 word. Suppose we take the word, we have done it. Suppose we take the word market. Market. Here we can write the words as we have done in the copy. The one is R-A-T, rat. We can make the word art. Mark. M-A-R-K. For example, see, R-A-T, R-A-T, A-R-T, A-R-T, mark, M-A-R-K, M-A-R-K. So these all 3 words we are getting from 1 word. You can make many more words, but for example, we are taking these 3 words. Okay? Next, for example, in this also you will be getting only this word. This word will be written in the paper and you will have to make these 3 words out of it. This you have to learn how to make. Just keep practicing at home. You will be able to know how to make new words from 1 word. After that, we are having many different type of questions in our poem. In that, tick the correct word. Tick the correct word. For example, number 1, does she know where to find them? Does she know where to find them? This question, these all questions we have already done. You don't need to write it down again and again. But you should know how the paper will be prepared, what will be the pattern of the paper, how to attempt, how you will be getting the question paper. Because we are not in the class here to guide you, so I am telling you through this video how to prepare for your test. Okay? All the questions you won't get in the exam. So according to your preparation, you can do it lesson wise, one lesson at a time. According to the syllabus, prepare your lessons, and this should be the format of your question paper. The options were, does she know where to find them? A, yes. B option was no. Which was the correct option? We will be writing only the answer. Here we will be writing answer, and the option was no. So we will be writing B here and the option no. Are you all clear till here? So in the same format, question number 6, as we have done rhyming words, you will be in the question paper we will be giving the words as we have done till. This will be written here. There will be a gap here. You will be writing the word bell. Got it? Same. One more example. Tail, jail. You can make your own words. I am just writing for example. You can make more interesting words out of it so that you will be able to find which are the words we call rhyming words. The same sound of the word, those who have the same sound, those are called rhyming words. Again, the next question, question number 7, complete the lines of the poem. Complete the lines of the poem. In this, you will be getting, we are having many lines in the poem, but we won't write all the lines. We just need to write few lines of the poem. As for example, I will be writing any 4 lines of the poem. In the exam also, you will be getting any 4 lines of the poem. As you will get in exam, dash, Bo Peep has, dash for Peep has lost her sheep. Dash for Peep has lost her sheep and can't dash where to find. We'll be writing here, there will be a gap, where to dash them. So these 4 lines if you are getting, all the lines will be written like this. You will just have to fill in the blanks. And children, this will be written in the paper and you will have to fill in the blanks given in the poem. This will be the format of the paper. This is how you have to practice it according to the format. You will have to prepare your lessons accordingly. So all the best. We'll meet in the next video with the new lesson.